My tradition, my belief is that you start the new year the way you mean to go on. So I was very tempted today to drive the 3 to 4 hours up to New York and find someplace up there to go walking, because I plan to end up in New York next year. But the weather is not cooperating, and I took quite a beating on my hike yesterday, so I decided I was going to do something a little gentler and a little closer to home today, just to at least put out into the universe that, yes, I am still hiking and I intend to continue hiking in the new year. Which is why I'm not at a Wawa's right now. I found this area. This is the Hatfield nature area, and I found it completely accidentally about 6 weeks ago. I'd never known it was here. It is 2.5 miles from my house. My grocery store is right across the road over there. Who knew? I did not know this was back here. It's set back from the road. There's a couple of buildings in front of it. If you didn't see the little green sign saying Hatfield Nature Area, you wouldn't know this was back here. So, there's no information about this trail on all trails, which I will try and remedy after I do this hike. So I have no idea what the mileage is, what the terrain is going to be like, any of that. All I have is this map. So I think I'm going in at the gray line there. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out the red line just to check it out. I'll come back down, go down the red line. Then I'm going to go back up. I'm going to do that loop around, and I'll come back over there. But let's go see what this holds in store for us. Rocky start. The entrance from where I came in, the trails are lovely for about 100 feet, and then it's all pucker brush. I could not find the trail, so I ended up poking around in the woods a little bit until I actually saw this trail. The red trail seems to be pretty heavily used. It's well padded down. So I am now going to go back the way I came, and I'm going to try and keep going and see if I can find those other trails, or if they just aren't used enough and have grown in. And maybe I have a trail project. All right, going back to knowing my limits, that bridge was very sketchy, so I decided not to take the chance. You could see it when I was going over the quote-unquote bridge that I did go over. It's just up the stream from that. This is the yellow trail. There's supposed to be a green trail around here somewhere too, but I don't see it marked, and I don't see the trail anywhere. With the benches that are out here, they look like they were placed very deliberately. And at one time there was a lot of work done on this place, and I don't know what happened that it's just kind of been forgotten about. I think I may email the Hatfield Rec Department and see what the story is, because this has the potential to be a really amazing local park. There's plenty of room for new trails without impacting the natural setting. But I guess when the money runs out, so does the trail maintenance. All right, I'm almost back to the car. so I made it back to the car. That was not difficult, although I did have some challenges. Some of those bridges were a little tricky. It's kind of sad. This has the potential to be a really amazing local park. And it's sad that it's not getting the maintenance that it deserves. It's very muddy, but a lot of that would be easily fixed just with some diverter logs and some trenching and just remarking some of these trails. You go through with a brush cutter or a swing blade cutter and clear out some of that underbrush and get some people walking through here. Again, nobody knows it's here except probably for the people who live right around here and the two guys who are hanging out in the pavilion here. So I recommend that you check around your local area. Maybe reach out to your local rec department and see if they know about any of these little hidden gems and see if they need some help with them. Because trail maintenance is hard work, and sometimes, especially in this busy day and age, it's hard to get people to come out. So if you care about trails, see what needs help in your area. All right, that is New Year's Day. I hope everybody has a phenomenal New Year's, and we will be going hiking a lot. I don't know where we're going next week, but we're going somewhere, and I hope you come with me. Take care. I'll see you then. Bye.